Welcome to Slippery Rock University's video presentation discussing browsing and registering for classes using the SRU scheduler. Schedules for the upcoming semesters will be visible 2 weeks prior to registration opening. Students can only browse schedules during this time. They cannot register for classes yet. To browse classes using the SRU scheduler, click Step 4, Browse Classes. A new window will prompt you to select your preferred method for browsing classes. For this video, we will select the SRU scheduler. Please see our video on Banner 9 registration for an overview of that option. Adjust the settings at the top of the page according to your schedule preferences. Pay particular attention to the course status setting, which may hide courses you are looking for if they are closed or contain a waitlist. Remember to review these settings before registering for each semester or anytime you need to drop or add classes. To begin, click Add Course. Here you can easily browse classes by subject, section attribute, instructor, course number, or CRN. Once you have selected courses, you can click the information icon to see detailed course information, or click the gear icon to see the individual sections available for the upcoming semester. If the course has a prerequisite, you will see the prerequisite symbol under the course name. To see the specific prerequisites for a course, return to My SRU and click Step 4, Browse Classes. Then select the Banner 9 option. Search for the course you want to add, click the course title, and then click the Prerequisite tab to verify which courses you need. The SRU scheduler allows you to add breaks in your schedule for work, sports practice, or any other time you cannot take classes. Under Advanced Options, you will find a class padding option. This can be used if you have a preference for how many minutes you need between classes. Remember to review your breaks and class padding before registering for each semester. Once you add your courses and breaks, click Generate Schedules to see all available options. Browse results by hovering over the schedules or click up to 4 schedules to compare them side by side. Click View on each schedule to see further details on each potential schedule. If you find a specific class section you absolutely must have, click the padlock to lock it into your schedule. Students who have used the SRU scheduler prior to registration should regenerate their schedules periodically in the days leading up to registration to see how potential schedules may have changed as a result of other students registering. If the generated schedules are very limited, consider revising or removing any of the following features or settings that may limit your results, such as locked courses and sections, breaks and class padding, or change the course status setting to show all classes. When your registration date and time have arrived, click on Step 5, Register for Classes, and select the SRU scheduler. Once you find your preferred schedule, click Send to Shopping Cart. Once in the shopping cart, click Register to proceed with registration. If you are an undergraduate student registering for the fall or spring semester, you must enter an RPIN. If you do not know your RPIN, you must contact your academic advisor. Graduate students and post-baccalaureate students do not need an RPIN. Your registration results will display, and you will be taken to the current schedule page. If there is a restriction preventing you from registering for a course, contact the individual listed in the error message. From the current schedule page, you can view your schedule and remove any classes you no longer wish to take by clicking the Edit or Drop Classes button. If you are on a waitlist for a course and receive notification that a seat is available, click the Edit or Drop Classes button and use the drop-down next to the course to change from waitlist to register web. If you need to look for or add more classes, return to the home screen by clicking Build Schedule. The Add Course by CRN feature allows you to bypass the Generate Schedule process. You can go directly to the Current Schedule tab and begin building a new schedule, or add a course to your already existing schedule by entering the CRN of each course you want to register for. The Swap feature allows you to drop and add at the same time. You can swap out a class already in your schedule for a new one that you want to take in its place. If you cannot register for the new course, the attempt will fail entirely and you will remain registered for the original class. A message will appear to tell you why the swap failed. If you need assistance preparing for registration, please contact your academic advisor or the Office of Exploratory Studies and Academic Progress. If you need assistance using the SRU scheduler, please contact the Office of Academic Records and Registration.